is Fluttershy and I made a makeup tutorial and this is my channel. I hope you enjoy. Keep watching to see how to do it. I just spray some moisturizer on this brush and I just rub it all over my face with the brush and it makes it smoother. Step 2, foundation. This foundation you have to shake. Oh. And I rub it all over my face with the brush. And yeah. Next up is concealer. I do concealer underneath my eyes, on my nose, my forehead, and my chin. And a little bit on my eyelids. The concealer looked pretty funny and I was like, what?
I said, hold up, wait a minute, something ain't right.
Then I just rub it in with my finger, cause it's cream. The next step is powder. This is more of a setting powder, and I put it where I put on my foundation and concealer. After that, I use a little bit of a thicker powder. I'm not really sure 100%, but I go over the powder I just did to make sure that it gives it more of a smooth look, in case I messed up anywhere. Next is blush. I just put the blush on my nose, my cheeks, my chin, my forehead, and sometimes my eyelids to make it all blend better. Next up is contour. I just use a natural brownish color under my nose and on top of my nose where I don't know what that's called, but it's there and it gives me a button nose effect. I almost dropped everything. Next is brows. I make sure to make my brows angle downward in the outer corners so that way it gives it more of a droopy effect. Now you're totally one step closer to achieving the look. Yay! Next, eyeshadow. I don't necessarily do a lot of eyeshadow looks, so I just did a natural brown in the corners and the crease, outer corners I mean. Next I use a very light creamish white on my lids and my brow bone with a little bit of a sparkle in it. What's this? Oh, it's eyeliner. This is the trickiest part in my opinion, so watch very closely. You have to use the liner to extend your natural lash line out and downward. Next, after that, you want to connect the corner that you just extended to the middle of your eye going on a slant, but make sure to round out the slant so that way it looks more natural and not so harsh. Also make sure to make the bottom line a little bit thicker than the top line so that way it gives it a natural effect. I then connect it in a little bit on my actual lash line to make it fit in more. And then just repeat. After doing this, I add a slight little tiny wing going downward. Mascara! I just do normal mascara on my top and bottom lid. I don't do false lashes because I just don't understand how to put them on. And they're kinda heavy, so I just don't anyway. The last and final step. What is it? I use golden powder. I spray some magical golden powder on my face, and then I rub it in with my fingers, and it makes my face shiny and glowy and awesome. Yay! And now we're finished. Thank you so much for watching. It means so much to me. I love making videos, but obviously I'm kind of shy. Thank you. If you want to support me, check out my Instagram. My Instagram is SoftyShy. And this is my YouTube, of course. Leave a comment if you want to see more. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.